जवानों से है, मुझे मोहब्बत उन जवानों से है जो सितारों पे डालते हैं कमल. So, thank you for presenting your dialogue. It was a nice dialogue that they presented. They have presented their braveness, their talent, their prices and precious words in front of the gathering. So for the next speech, I would like to invite one of the brilliant guy, fantastic guy, and who will present his talent in front of the gathering. So for the next speech, I would like to invite Muhammad Adil, so please come on stage and present your talent. Please give him a big hand. Beginning with the gracious name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, the King of the King, power of the power, who created me, who created you, and who created the sky without fear, just Allah. My honorable director, teacher, my classmate and respectable guest, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am very thankful for my respectable director that he gave me such a good chance to present my speech in front of this gathering today. Today I would like to say something about the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. All praise due to Allah, the Lord of the world, the sustainer of the heaven and earth, director of all that is created, who sent the messenger, may be the peace and blessing of Allah be upon all of them, who the rational being to guide them to explain the religious law to them with the clear proof and undeniable agreement. I ask him to increase his grace and generosity. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah alone, who has no partner, the one who saved you, the generous, the forgiving. I bear witness that our leader Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his beloved and messenger. He is beloved and dear one, the best of all creation. He was honored with the Holy Quran that is been and enduring the merciful throughout the years. He was also shared with his guiding sunnah that show the way for those who seek and guidance. Our leader Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that has been particularized with the characters of eloquent and witty speech, the simplicity and ease and the religions. May be the peace and blessing of Allah be upon him. I have more discussion on this topic, but due to the shortage of time, therefore I conclude my